Hello and welcome. I'm Neerja Ahuja, an Ayurveda practitioner, yoga therapist, and human values educator. If you have found your way here, something in you is already seeking. Maybe it is clarity or energy, or maybe you are looking to take better care of yourself or the people you look after. Or maybe you are just tired of doing everything right and still feeling off rhythm. Whatever the reason, I'm glad that you are here because Ayurveda, the ancient science of life, has something to offer and not in the way you might think. It's not about doing more, it's about remembering, returning, and reawakening. That's what this journey is, and this short video will help you decide if the Ayurveda Appreciation Program is the next step for you. So what is Ayurveda really about? Ayurveda is one of the world's oldest health sciences, but more than that, it's a philosophy of living. The word itself translates to the science of life. It teaches us that we are not separate from nature. That's how we eat, sleep, think, breathe, work, love. All of it affects our state of balance. It teaches us that health is not just the absence of disease, but the presence of swasthya, a state of being rooted in the self. This is not about perfection. It is about rhythm. And most people today are living out of rhythm. We eat at odd times. We ignore our natural urges. We disconnect from our body's signals. We try to fix things with quick solutions, but forget to ask, what is this symptom trying to tell me? Ayurveda helps us return to the basics. It gives us a map to understand our own body, mind, and emotions work together. And once we understand our unique constitution and the rhythms that govern life, everything changes. Let me talk about why this program exists. I created the Ayurveda Appreciation Program for one reason: to make Ayurveda accessible, experiential, and transformative without overwhelming anyone. This program is not just for practitioners or professionals to understand and appreciate, but it is for everyone who wants to understand themselves better and live in harmony with who they are. You might be a health practitioner wanting to integrate Ayurveda into your work, or a yoga teacher looking to deepen your knowledge, or a student of natural medicine, or simply someone who wants to live with more vitality and clarity. No matter where you are starting, this program meets you there. And because Ayurveda meets life as it is, this course is also designed to help you apply it to your life for self-care. Not theory alone, but real integration. So let me give you a few examples of what we hear often from participants. They may say something like, I eat healthy but still feel bloated and tired, but after learning about the concept of Agni or digestive fire and food combining, their digestion transforms. Or they may say, I can't sleep well and my mind is constantly overthinking. But with small changes in evening rhythms and understanding the concept of Vata, sleep can become more peaceful. Or they may say, I take care of others but don't know how to care for myself. So with Ayurvedic self-care rituals and understanding Oja's concept of energy and boundaries can shift. Or they may say, I want to offer more to my clients but need a deeper framework. So this course gives a solid Ayurvedic foundation that professionals can build on with further education, but at least get to know that it is right thing for them while earning the CPD points. The key is not just the information, but the perspective shift from reacting to symptoms to understanding the root cause, from outsourcing health at the primary care level to taking empowered action. So what will you learn and experience? Over 10 weeks program, we explore the concept of 5 elements and the 3 doshas, your unique constitution of Prakriti and imbalances of Vikruti, digestion, Agni, Ama, and the gut-mind connection, daily habits and rhythms of Dincharya or seasonal living and Ritucharya, foods and the mind, and how emotions, lifestyle, and environment influence well-being, and how to align your choices with your natural intelligence or your Prakriti. You will also experience live group sessions with discussion and reflection, and short, accessible video lessons, as well as session replays you can revisit anytime, and practical application in life with accountability, CPD reflections for health professionals, and a supportive, welcoming space and community where ancient wisdom meets modern life. Some participants come to improve their own health, some come to prepare for deeper study, some come simply because something in them says, yes, now a word on application and results. Ayurveda honors personal responsibility. This program does not promise a miracle, but it will give you tools, language, insights, and when you apply them and you start applying them while you're studying, you will feel the difference, not just in your body, but in how you relate to life. I have seen this again and again. Students and clients reclaiming their vitality, clarity, and calm, not through pressure, but through alignment, because that's what Ayurveda teaches us. You don't have to chase wellness, you return to it. And if something stirred in you while watching, if you felt a quiet yes, a remembering, or even just a sense of, I want to live better, then I invite you to join us. This is more than a course, it is a returning to the wisdom you already carry. The next step is simple. You will find all the program details in the link or connect with us and we can send it to you. Take your time, listen to your inner rhythm, and it is the right time we will meet inside. Thank you for watching, and whether you join us or not, may your journey towards wellness and wholeness continue to unfold with grace.